and developing cool applications using StreamLit. So in this lecture, we are going to see how to develop a cool application for I have labeled it as Wiki Shorts, that is Wikipedia. It is based on Wikipedia. It is using a amazing and a very cool library in Python called as Wikipedia. So if initially we need to install that library, so you can just go down here in the terminal and install Wikipedia. So that's the command we fire for installing Wikipedia, and I have already installed that actually on my machine. So this will reinstall it for me. And once you've installed it, what you need to do is you need to import it. So I just cancel this command. I don't need this because I already have it on my machine basically. And yeah, so that's the terminal. And now I have to import that library. So I import Wikipedia. So it's Wikipedia, and now we start with we start with the basic commands in StreamLit. We start with the basic uh, display methods in StreamLit, like what do we need to call the application. So basically, I need to call this application, or I need to give the application a title. That title would be something called as Wiki Short. So basically, what this application is doing, what the idea behind this application is like going to the Wikipedia page or searching for an article in Wikipedia and getting approximately 10 to 20 lines about that person or that thing basically or from Wikipedia. So it's basically like a application called In Shorts, which gives 60 lines of 60, which gives you the latest news in some 60 words basically. So that's the whole idea for developing this. But this application would be on the web, and let's develop it then. So if you follow along with it, it would be more beneficial. Like, okay, I'm sorry, while writing and while talking, I'm just confused. So I'll just make this as Wiki Shorts. So this we'll run it later. We'll run it all together. The application. Let's just first code this application. So what I'll do is I'll just uh, create an create a function out of this thing, this the def app, and inside this application, this function, what do I do is I um, have already given it a title. So the title is Wiki Shorts, and then uh, we can have the title to be accepted from the user. So to accept the title from the user, so I need some word, some title to be searched on Wikipedia, right? So I can give it like this method, that is st dot, and then we have already seen the text input. So we have to take a text input from the user, and then there we can give a placeholder sort of a thing that where you want, like leave, enter the Wikipedia page to be searched, basically something like that. And let's see, yeah. So this is a title. We don't need to give a colon or something. So this title will be used ahead. Now I just from that Wikipedia library, I just create an object. So like that view wiki is equals to, and then I import that library for Wikipedia. So I have it already. So it has Wikimedia as well, but I need only Wikipedia. And then what I do is Wikipedia dot page method. So I'm searching for the page which is there in the title, which is there mentioned in the title. So I just write the title. Once I use that title word, that word would be, so this would make the title bold, and you can see it now. So this is like, okay, so it's not taking that title. One second. Okay, done. So it will take a while, I guess, to load this, and yeah, it's done. So now what we need to do is, now as we have created the object called the wiki color, we need to use that, and we need to store that some text from that. So we have text is equals to, and then I have wiki dot content. Like I have wiki dot content means whatever page you've searched, what content or what text is there in that page I need. And then now I need to just adjust that text accordingly how I want to see it. So basically there would be some equals to and some commas, etc., etc. So I just need to replace or need to clean that text. So that would be text is equals to text dot replace. I need to replace some contents. So what will I replace? I'll replace equals or some basic alphanumerical keys with nothing. So I need nothing there, and I also have text to be replaced by like slash n, that is the next line. So text is equals to text dot replace, again using the same thing, but here I am replacing the slash n, that is the next line. Move to the next line to I have to with nothing, and also that would be limited to the like reverse in 12, so minus 12, that's 7 minus 1, so that's it. And now I just need to limit those words or those sentences. So from text I'm selecting only first maybe 1000 words or something, so that will give me text is equals to, I just select text, and then from those text I'm selecting the first from the first word to the 1000th word. Basically you can select this anything and just check what it is. And now just using the st.write method. So when I use this st.write method, I can display the text below. I can display the text below the label text or the title text basically. So I'll just mention the text, and probably like we are good to go now. Actually, we are done with the code, and there are some changes or some things which we need, like we need to run that function, that application which we have developed, that function we developed app. So once we once we run this, so how do we run it? The command here is pretty simple. Like we go to our terminal, and on the terminal, so we won't be displaying or we won't be moving this application to ngrok. So the ngrok thing was just basically a proper, like to identify or to make you guys understand that we can deploy these applications on ngrok, and can be made available to the public. You can also monetize these applications basically if you are into web development also. So the application is StreamLit run app.py. So once this command is successfully run, it will it'll on its own, it will pop up a window, and it will show the StreamLit app running on the machine, on the board, and wherein you can input the Wikipedia page title, and will be displayed on the content from that page will be displayed below with this command, that is st.write text. So it's taking a bit too long for the application to process and run. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes and check. Yeah, it's up and running. So if you see here, that's the StreamLit application, and probably it will give you an error here because there was no title on the I have any Wikipedia any page here, so you can just have your any word